For those of us where our distribution company no go fit help us link our TikTok artist page to our TikTok page, the only option we'll get to do na to do them manually. So meaning you go collect all the informations, the metadata from your distribution company, and you go send them directly to TikTok so that TikTok gonna say, okay, yes, now here you distribute your song, now you get this TikTok page, we could put your song on that TikTok page. You get your point. So on top of your TikTok page where you want turn to artist page, if you come to this 3 line with it here, and then you click TikTok Studio, then you go down. If you no see them for front here, just go down, until you see this more tools. I don't know how it will appear for your own, but my own it appear more tools. And then you click TikTok for artists. If you know they on top of your TikTok page, that means you go need to go to Google. On top Google, just type TikTok artist profile. And I think this very one, this one we say TikTok artist. You understand? If you click you see that same thing will appear for that one where I open from app. You also appear here. The only thing now be say they no talk apply for here. They just tell me open on TikTok. So the moment you click open on TikTok, because you already done the logged in for your TikTok, boom, it go carry you come to your TikTok. Just like that. You get your point. So now what we done do here now, if we click apply, you go carry us come to where you go find that's your artist, that's your name now. You understand? Because now you don't distribute your song with a distribution company, they don't keep them for TikTok library, search for the name. I would say they tell you here now. So in this case, we look for key songs. And then if we click search, you see it just bring out everything, all the songs where I don't distribute. You just line all of them up for here. You understand? More could see the things where we will need to actually claim this thing manually. If I click claim, and then I come here, I say, log into the streaming platform for artists or music distribution company. Screenshot must include the artist name, album title, and or track title. So if I click this place now, we say skincare routine, right? Good. Now you see, if I take these screenshots now, automatically they go fit use this one take verify any song where I distribute through DistroKid. Why? Because see the song title, skincare routine. See the artist name, Key Songs. The label they there, DistroKid UPC. So the UPC they there and the release date they there. So literally this information go reach them, take verify the songs where I distribute through DistroKid. So we go take these screenshots, check them. Right, I'm not too really sure how many screenshots where they go as, but maybe 4 or 5 is enough for them to verify. You understand? And if na Ditto music you use distribute your song, if you come to this place where say my releases, click more you look this one, just pick anyone, just click this one and click this view. So we say view. The thing where they look for now that dashboard will show the place where all the information is there. So in this case, this is not the dashboard. This place show the artist name, see single by Key Songs, song title. So this place actually don't do okay if na Ditto you they use. If you just screenshot here, check them, you keep this one. You understand? So now we don't gather this information, we come back to TikTok, you understand? And then we go select those 2 screenshots. For me now, at least 2 screenshots now I get. So if we come here, according to them, I think if you put up to 10 screenshots, you understand? But we just try these 2, you understand? Just to see if you fit take up to 10 different screenshots just to match with 10 different songs where you get, fine. Okay, so I actually go take 1 more screenshot just to make them 3. You understand? So as soon as you don't take these 3 screenshots, you just click submit. So if you click submit, boom, application submitted. So your request is under review, get back to you under 30 days. So from now till 30 days, according to them, if everything where I give them match with the songs where they try claim, boom, they will instantly line up all the songs where I don't distribute for that particular profile. If some comma day, probably they go get back to me and tell me, say, hey, one thing happened, alpha, this one not too clear, or this one not too much, alpha. They go tell me, say, wait for another 30 days before I go free apply. You get your point. So, but whatever the updates be, I will still update all of us so that we go know, say, okay, we'll see where I make mistake, or see what I do wrong, or see what I do right. You get your point. So now here again, this very matter for today. I do this one for comment session.